In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer Chrome bookmarks to a new computer, using the easiest automatic sync method first, and then a manual export and import method if you do not want to use a Google account. This is a super simple process, and by the end, your bookmarks will be ready on your new device in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the easiest method, which is Chrome Sync. This is the best option if you want your bookmarks to move over automatically with very little effort. On your old computer, open Google Chrome and click your profile icon in the top right corner of the browser. If you are not already signed in, click Turn on Sync and log into your Google account. Once you sign in, Chrome will ask you what you want to sync. Make sure Bookmarks is turned on. If you also want your passwords, extensions, and browsing data to come across, you can leave those enabled too. After that, Chrome starts uploading your data to your Google account in the cloud. Now move to your new computer. Open Chrome there as well, and click the profile icon in the top right corner. Sign in using the exact same Google account you used on the old computer. After a few moments, Chrome will begin downloading your synced data. In most cases, your bookmarks, saved passwords, extensions, and other synced items will appear automatically. This is the fastest and easiest way to transfer everything, especially if you use Chrome on multiple devices. If you do not want to sign into a Google account, or if you prefer to move only your bookmarks manually, there is another method you can use. This method works by exporting your bookmarks from the old computer and then importing them into Chrome on the new computer. It only takes a few steps, and you can use a USB flash drive, cloud storage, or even email to move the file. On the old computer, open Chrome and then open the Bookmark Manager. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and O at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and B. This opens the Bookmark Manager window where all of your saved bookmarks are stored. At the top right corner of the blue Bookmark Manager bar, click the three vertical dots. Be careful not to click the three dots in the main Chrome menu. Once the small menu appears, choose Export Bookmarks. Chrome will ask you where you want to save the file. Pick a location that is easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder. Give the file a name if you want, and then click Save. Chrome will create an HTML file containing all of your bookmarks. Now transfer that HTML file to your new computer. You can copy it to a USB drive, upload it to cloud storage, or email it to yourself. Once the file is on your new computer, open Chrome there and open the Bookmark Manager again using the same shortcut. On Windows, that is Ctrl, Shift, and O. On Mac, it is Command, Option, and B. Once the Bookmark Manager is open, click the three vertical dots on the blue bar again, and this time choose Import Bookmarks. Find the HTML file you transferred from your old computer, click it once to select it, and then click Open. Chrome will import the bookmarks into your browser, and they should now appear in your Bookmarks bar or in a newly imported folder. If your bookmarks do not show up right away, refresh Chrome or check the Bookmarks bar and the other bookmark folders. Sometimes imported bookmarks are placed inside a folder, so it is worth looking there before assuming something went wrong. Also, if you are using Sync, make sure you are signed into the right account on both computers, because using a different Google account will prevent your bookmarks from appearing. So to quickly recap, if you want the easiest method, use Chrome Sync and sign into the same Google account on both devices. If you want a manual method without Google, export your bookmarks as an HTML file from the old computer and import that file on the new one. Either way, you can move everything over without losing your saved sites. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.